Yes, ma. Let us have a look about the assignment number 42 of Mughal Empire. The questions has been related to all the revenue system of Mughals. So the following is the revenue system of Mughals. What is the revenue system of Mughals? Nothing but Japt. What is the revenue system of Mughals? Answer is Japt. So the Japt is the revenue system of Mughals. Todarmal conducted survey on the following. He has conducted survey on the different parts of the country. What is that? Water, land, crop yields and minerals. So the answer is crop yields. He conducted survey on the crop yields. The division of the provinces in Mughal Empire, that means how the provinces are divided into states, countries, revenue circles and provinces. So when you observe all these different options, there is one little different option called revenue circle. So based on that you can understand the answer. Next is the revenue system of Mughal rulers was. What is the revenue system of Mughals? Jagir, income, salary, Japt. Once again the same answer called Japt. So the salary is present, income is present, Jagir is a place. Okay. So next question is, these are not appointed but continued as leaders on hereditary basis. On hereditary basis these people has continued. So when you look at that question, what is the answer? The answer is nothing but Jamindars. Todarmal conducted survey from which year to which year? 1570 to 80, 80 to 90, 60 to 70, 85 to 95. What is the answer? 1570 to 80. 1570 to 1580 he has conducted survey. He has conducted the survey. Okay. Now let us have a look about the question. What were the differences between a Mansabdar and Jamindar? The main four important concepts I will explain between the differences of the Mansabdars and Jagirdars. What is that? Let me explain you. So what is the main differences between Mansabdar and Jagir is, first difference is Mansabdars having the military administrative officers and these Jamindars have the rural enlightenment. They are the local headmen. So okay, I could not write that. Just listen to me. So that they are the local headmen. Who? Jamindars are the local headmen and Mansabdars are the administrative officers. And one more important difference is these Mansabdars are directly under the control of the king and these Jamindars are not under the control of the kings. And one more important factor is that these Mansabdars are transferable to any area. Jamindars will be residing in a particular Jagir only. They cannot be transferable to any area. And one more important thing, the major difference is the Mansabdars are elected on the hereditary basis. Thus Jamindars are, these Mansabdars are not hereditary basis, whereas Jamindars are on hereditary basis. So these are the major differences between Mansabdars and Jamindars. Okay ma? Let us discuss the next assignment in the next class. Thank you.